In this video, we'll cover installing the Device42 Windows Discovery Service. To download the Windows Discovery Service, go to device42.com/autodiscovery and click on the download button. Once the download has completed, we'll begin the installation by right-clicking on the installer and selecting Install. Next, we'll specify the IP address of our remote collector or main appliance. It's important to note that you can have multiple Windows Discovery services attached to the same remote collector or main appliance. Next, we'll switch back to the main appliance and generate a one-time password. To generate a one-time password, we'll go to Discovery, Remote Collectors, and click on the Generate OTP button. Next, we'll switch back to the installer and enter the one-time password we just generated. Then we'll choose an install location and hit Next to complete. To verify that the WDS has paired successfully with our remote collector, we'll head back to Discovery, Remote Collectors, and we should now be able to see the WDS that's attached.